In order to look into the future, you first have to understand the past. To do something with utmost simplicity, it sometimes is a very laborious and complex process. What we define on the exterior, we transfer towards the interior. The design is tailored exactly to an engineering purpose that we call form following performance. It will have to be a process that creates a win-win scenario between engineering and design. An enormously important part of our history that the Bugatti family is a family of artists, and we are still respecting and living and breathing this heritage in our company today, and not just the product but as the overall holistic experience.